traveling along the diversion road of General Santos City, the airport. So marami na ring diversion road. We have yung Cabin Brewery, no, for mga visitors or going to the airport. Magandang stopover yan or transit area. So the diversion road has significantly improved in terms of mga commercial establishments along both sides, no, of the highway. This part of the diversion road, especially yung right side natin, these are mga ancestral, part of the ancestral claim. Ito yung big challenge ngayon, how to develop these areas, because despite the limitations ng ownership, you have businessmen resorting to all sorts of mga setup, no, arrangements. I think they need better arrangements than yung mga present na ginagawa nila, no? So, I have clients kasi nagka-problema dyan, no? I have also people nakilala ko na nagka-problema both sides. There's a pending bill in Congress, no? Last Congress to, I hope that can be carried, na amending, no, certain provisions of the IPRA law, na parang 100 to 200 meters along the national highways, they are exempted from yung mga restrictions from IPRA law, because this cause a lot of mga limitations in terms of yung development, because yung mga negosyante, they cannot use yung property for financing. Pagkatapos yung ownership structure also is very limited, because andyan pa rin yung sa mga mga cultural communities natin. Maganda din yung proposed law na yun, no? Proposed bill, because yung highways natin kailangan i-unlock yung potential ng highways natin, yung cannot be fully maximized if we just follow yung certain restrictive provisions ng IPRA law. What do you think, Mai, of the idea?
I'm sorry, I was listening.
Ano idea mo na na to amend yung IPRA law na sa mga national highway kailangan i-remove yung mga restrictions on ownership?
I agree. As soon as maybe, because all the national highway properties are now rezoned as commercial.
Yun nga, no, ito yung existing na dynamics pala, no, yung zoning is commercial, and yet they're part of yung IPRA law, no? So that's really something na
so
sa land use natin.
So our commercial is up to only 200 meters if it's a national highway, and maybe 100 meters if it's a city road.
Yung for planners kasi, nakita yan, either it's a opportunity or some form of problem, because if the LGUs will reclassify yung areas, especially sa Bukidnon, no, Buda area, as commercial zone na, and yet yung ownership structure is still restricted under IPRA law. So yung mga sa real estate, I hope makuha nyo yung discussions natin. You appreciate yung discussions, because hindi na ma-maximize, hindi na unlock yung potential ng area.
But I think the essence of the law is that we protect the rights of the indigenous community. So maybe they would be lenient on, still I think they still should retain ownership, but they should open it up more to commercial use.
Wala nga, no? That happens sa Buda, sa Bukidnon. It's commercial use, but yung reservations ng business community is hindi nila, the only form of parang feasible na arrangement is yung long-term lease.
Long-term lease is it?
No? So hindi siya na ma-maximize. Yung proposed bill kasi is really to ano to, exempt, no? For those areas na traversed by the national highways, andyan pa din yung IPRA, but yung along national highways, maganda din yun na ma-dispose ng mga kwan natin, no? Mga brothers and sisters sa cultural communities, because that would also significantly improve their living condition.
Up to 200 meters.
This one sa diversion ng Jensen, may naglagay ng nilagyan nila ng division na mahaba-haba to. So ang purpose siguro is just to safety measures, kasi kung wala yan, bibilis ng takbo ng sasakyan. This one tayo, we're going into yung intersection ng National Highway going to South Cotabato on the left side, then on the right side going the city, sa city proper, no, going Warp area. And yung sa right side natin, one of the biggest na mga ano to, warehouses dito sa city, right side, you know, mahaba-haba yan siya. Warehouse. Pagkatapos we just pass yung ano, yung subdivision yun, May, yung ano to, yung dinaanan natin sa RD.
It's an RD development.
Yeah, so dito tayo sa intersection. Pakita natin na tour. Ano to? Yan, no, yung marker. Dito lang tayo magdaan despite sabi nila na traffic. I think better pa rin dito kasi before peak hours. So signing off tayo in the meantime.